Hello everyone and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita Luxury. On today, I am going to be speaking on a few things and also the pink Speedy 20. We need to discuss that. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at marquitalvluxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay guys, happy Valentine's Day. This is really not one of my upload days, but I had to come on here and talk to you guys, and then I'm cute today, so it just went well together anyway. But today I brought out my beauty. I usually wear her every Valentine's Day. I absolutely love this handbag. This is the Louis Vuitton, if I am saying it correctly, the hardcore bag. I call it the heart bag. I've had this in my collection now, I believe 3 years. And I absolutely love this handbag. It can be found, if you are looking for it, you have to check Fashion File. I've seen one on Fashion File and of course a few of the consignment shops, but I absolutely love having this in my collection. The outfit that I have on is a set. It came together, of course, from Amazon. It comes in different colors. You guys know I love different, and I absolutely love anything to where I can shimmy. So I will have the link in the description box if you guys do want to order, because I am going back to get the color black. Okay, so enough talking about the handbag of the day and the outfit. I hope you guys have enjoyed your Valentine's Day thus far, but let's get into the real tea. I was up all morning, okay? You guys saw in my stories. I was checking for the price increase that was supposed to hit today. I'm not sure what's going on, okay? It's supposed to come today, Valentine's Day, which would have most definitely not been something that we love, but it wasn't there. So I'm assuming it is going to come out sometime this month, just not today. They are sneaking in these prices. So if we don't hear about a price increase, it's because they already increased on some of the prices, especially the new handbags. You guys see the prices are outrageous, ridiculous. So I will continue to monitor for the month of February, guys. This is what I am very, very interested in, because I want to go back and compare prices. I do have receipts from when I purchased 2-3 years ago, and I just want to compare the prices, you know, then versus now. So, price increase has not hit. I wanted to bring that to you guys' attention. So, let's speak on the beautiful pink Speedy 20 that is coming out February 24th. I already spoke on the blue that's coming out, the black. I spoke a little bit about the pink. I didn't have a good picture. You saw that Foxy posted it. Guys, what do you think? Pre-orders are open. I don't know, like, I told myself that I wanted different in my collection, so I am going more for color. I am full of canvas handbags, especially canvas and vachetta handbags, monogram canvas and vachetta handbags. And so I'm trying to just have different in my collection, but handbags that I am actually going to use as well. So as of right now, we know the price is $3,100. Yes, guys, I know we are upset, but it is what it is. It's $3,100 for the Speedy 20. It is leather. It is nanogram, meaning the smaller monogram print. Either we're going to go for the blue or we are going to go for the pink. I have enough black in my collection. Some of you guys say you have already pre-ordered. let me know which one did you pre-order. I am leaning, honestly guys, I am leaning towards the pink, but something is telling me to go with the blue. I don't know. Like I said, I need color in my collection. I don't know which one I'm gonna go for. I really don't know. But like I said, let me know in the comments if you already pre-ordered and which one you actually have your eye on. I also want to speak on this, guys. Someone put it in the comments. I was going to go over it, you know, Handbag Bestie Friday. I'm still going to speak on it. Yes, guys, they are rolling out with Speedy 20s. Yes, they are. And we are going to receive a Damier Ebene Speedy 20. We spoke on this. I am so happy because someone in the LV and Louis Vuitton camp is listening to what we're speaking on in these videos. I said it again. A few of you guys requested it as well. And guys, yes, this summer we are going to receive a Speedy 20 in the Damier Ebene print. Soon following, the Azure will be out as well. Hopefully they do not put the braided tote handle on these handbags, okay? I just want the classic print with the dark brown leather, and I actually have it here in the 25. So this is the Speedy 25 bandolier. Just imagine, guys, close your eyes and imagine the Speedy 20. This bag tag, okay? The bag tag here did not come with the Speedy 25 bandolier. A few of you guys are asking. I took this from my Graceful PM and added it because I just wanted to give, you know, just some spice it up a little bit. I added this today because I was torn on if I was going to actually use this handbag. This is from the Game On collection. If I was going to wear this handbag or the Heart handbag. Either way, looks great. I will actually take this off if I'm going to wear this key charm here. But again, we are going to receive a Speedy 20 in the Damier Ebene print. I'm pretty sure it's going to have the beautiful red interior that we love, but I cannot wait. LV, Louis Vuitton, you are moving in the correct direction. I'm not sure who's spying on us, but they are coming back telling you the good information, and you guys are actually listening to us. So if you are listening again, we need a reverse monogram in Speedy 20, okay? Not the giant print, okay? You're listening to me, not the giant print. Just a regular monogram print, reverse monogram, okay? You might can put like a smaller print on the side. No, don't even put the smaller print. We just want the regular classic monogram print, the light tan on the one side, and then the dark brown on the other side, okay? You're listening. I wish you would add black leather as well, okay? Not the dolphin, the black leather. Okay, so hopefully you were listening. But guys, let me know how you feel. They are actually rolling out, like I said, with so many Speedy 20s, guys. I'm pretty sure you are going to see this floating around. Spring collection is going to be hot, guys. Summer collection is going to be hot. So make sure you are spending wisely. Don't be just so, you know, eager to jump on all the releases that are coming out. Those handbags that are sitting in your collection you are not using, I am also speaking to myself. Guys, sell them, get rid of them. They are coming out with some fire handbags. I'm telling you guys, some fire handbags for spring and summer. We are getting some beautiful colors. Like I said, they are listening to us. We're not going to see a lot of the guitar strap at all either. So guys, pay attention. Reverse monogram we are going to receive. Some SLGs as well in the reverse monogram. Some wallets, card holders, and a belt as well. The only thing that I am waiting on is another Bumbag. We are receiving another Bumbag, but it's not going to be the classic monogram that, you know, everyone is looking for. So guys, like I said, this isn't just really one of my upload days. I just wanted to bring attention that the price increase. I didn't see it. I feel like we already had the price increase, but again, you guys know I am keeping up with that. I wanted to come on here, speak on the Speedy 20 now that we have a better picture. I'm not sure, I'm leaning more towards the blue, but you guys know I love pink, but I do want a color handbag in my collection, and this is a leather Speedy 20, so I am with that for sure. So guys, let me know how you feel about the Speedy 20 Damier Bean that's coming out. I'm super excited. I'm super excited about the releases. I feel good today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Valentine's Day. I hope you are getting everything that you asked your hubbies for. Until next time, actually until tomorrow, stay safe, stay blessed. Talk to you guys soon. Mwah. Bye-bye.